Hey everybody, welcome to what I call startup nuggets, if you will. My name is Mojave, and today let's take a little bit of an unorthodox look at a big guy making some big steps. Now, this is how I'm going to be looking at OnlyFans, and this is how OnlyFans beat Twitter by giving adult content creators the ability to monetize their content using the paid subscription model, which if Twitter would have onboarded, they also would have shared in the profits of that content. Now, because Twitter is a big social media giant, the move to onboard such a proposal would have caused backlash from advertisers, because the advertisers generate majority of the revenue of Twitter. An article in The Verge also states that if Twitter would have onboarded that particular proposal or service, it would have generated enough to compensate for the losses. Now, this startup OnlyFans, which is popular amongst adult content sites, has generated a whopping $2.5 billion in revenue, which is close to half of Twitter's 2021 revenues. And OnlyFans is profitable. Now you know your superpower as a startup, your ability to service the market faster. And not only that, you have to make sure that you have the right team in place so that you can service the market accurately.